4 simple mantras to transform your relationship with anybody you want. You have a bad relationship with somebody? Don't worry. I'll give you simple mantras, just 4 simple mantras. Stay with me till the end of this video and I will show you how to transform your relationship with them. Go from a bad relationship to a good relationship in a matter of few hours. I'll give you an example. I have a friend of mine who had almost decided to divorce. And he said, there is nothing I can do to improve this relationship anymore. She's not talking to me, she's not calling me, she's not letting me talk to my daughter. True story. He lives in US, she's in India, and they had almost decided to divorce because things were just not working out. I told him, you've tried everything, right? Sab kaam kar liya, tune sab kuch try kar liya. Try my simple 4 mantras for just one day and then tell me what happens. He did it, and next day he gets a message from his wife saying, I don't know why, but I feel like we should talk one more time. This story is 6 months old. Today, they're back together. Yes, he was able to save his marriage, get back to his daughter, and all of this happened because he gave a very, very genuine attempt to this 4 mantras which I'm about to teach you. This mantra is based on a very powerful technique called as Ho'oponopono, based on 4 simple statements. I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. Let me explain the priority and the importance of these statements. And there is a priority to it. You got to always start with, I'm sorry, please forgive me. Now I know many of you thinking, it's not my mistake. Why should I say sorry? Why should I ask for forgiveness? I am sorry, please forgive me. These 2 mantras, the objective is to first dissolve any negative frequency between you and somebody else that is not letting you move towards them and not letting them move towards you. Imagine this. 2 people want to come towards each other, but something in between is stopping them. What is that? Misunderstandings, arguments, the fear of what will happen again if I get back to the relationship. All these negative thoughts is standing in between 2 people like walls, like ammunition in between, trying to keep them away. But when you tell yourself again and again, I'm sorry, please forgive me. It's not about saying sorry to them, and it's not about asking them for forgiveness. It's about dissolving that negative energy that's there between you and them. So start with these 2 mantras. I am sorry, please forgive me. And then, thank you, I love you. So the 3rd statement, gratitude. It's not about saying thank you to them for what's going on now. Thank you in itself is a very powerful vibrational word. When you, for an example, say the word positive, just the word positive has a different ring to it, right? It has a different feel to it. When you say the word love, has a different feel to it. Just like that, the word thank you has a very different feel to it. If you think of a particular person and intentionally, just mentally, you say thank you, thank you, thank you. Do you know that you transfer that energy of gratitude from here to there? And as a result, not only do you now dissolve the negative frequency between 2 of you, you actually create higher vibrations. You create attraction between 2 people when you say thank you, I love you. Look, I'll give you a simple example. If there are 2 friends who have not spoken to each other for 10 years, one simple thing can bring their friendship back. When one person lets go of their ego and says, I'm sorry yaar, please forgive me. Thank you, tu meri zindagi mein tha, and I'm so grateful that you're still in my life. I love you the way you are. That's it. These simple things brings 2 people back together in their life. Make sense? So the first 2 parts of the mantra, I am sorry, please forgive me, is to dissolve the negative frequency between 2 of you. And thank you, I love you, is to create attraction between 2 of you one more time. There's a particular way of doing these 4 mantras, and that is, every morning you wake up. If this relationship is really bad and you really want this relationship back in your life, every morning, take a picture of theirs and 108 times say, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. At night, before you sleep, do the same thing one more times, 108 times, Ho'oponopono, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. You do this morning 108 times and you do the same thing night 108 times. Not only do you clear negative energy between 2 people, you create positive attraction between 2 people and you transform that relationship. This is exactly the same technique, the same 4 mantras my friend used got his life partner back, got his daughter back in his life. You can do similar magic in your life, in your relationships. But tell me in the comment section, are you going to practice these 4 mantras today? If yes, do it now. And in the comments, I want you to type mantra. Just type mantra. That will help you manifest amazing magic in your relationships starting now.